Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Josh, and this is my lovely wife, Katie. And today we're going to be opening up three. Yes, three. It's Triple Mystery Bag Tuesday. Because we missed Monday. So we didn't actually have any bags or any videos of bags. So we got some today. We're going to get into it now. Happy Merry Christmas. Happy New Year almost. Let's get into these bags because it's going to take a long time. If you've never seen one of these videos, we buy these rag bags from local thrift stores. We look into them just enough to confirm that they are in fact t-shirts, and we look for, hopefully find, vintage t-shirts or other cool t-shirts. And today we have a cool t-shirt. Oh, this is a dope Sig Sauer tee. It's a P250. It's a small size. It's a medium, but that's pretty cool. Sig Sauer tee.
What does that mean?
It's a gun company. It's not necessarily vintage or anything, but it's cool looking. Oh, we got a vintage tee. Screen Star's Best Alert. Look at this thing. Pontiac Cove Marina Bull Shoals Lake. So this is a tourist tee, unfortunately, but it's kind of nice. We'll hold on to it for now. If you've seen anything in this series before, you know that we have found some pretty amazing t-shirts, and it's always a good sign that you see. It's always a good sign when you see some vintage t-shirts in there in the first place, so that you know, like, hey, there may be some more vintage t-shirts in here. We got a Suicide Squad tee. Just toss those in towels in there unless you're planning on keeping those.
I'm gonna keep them.
Yes, some of these have towels in it. It looks like there's a hat right here.
And all the towels are in great shape. I don't know why they get rid of them.
It's a hat.
Camel hat.
So it looks like they're just throwing all kinds of stuff in here now.
A set of towels and little towels. I'll keep that. It's a Hamilton thing. You wouldn't understand.
What do you got there?
Pacific. No, I'm just kidding. I thought.
Oh, this is another vintage tee. Screen Star's Best. Same marina. We'll hold on to it for right now.
Dancing, Brave Love.
There's a lot of, like, you get a lot of, like, tourist tees and novelty
like
tees in here.
tees.
Church tees. Church tees are okay because there's, like, a market for them, but
They're, like, really crazy 80s, 90s style.
Yeah. But, like, the stuff, like, tourist tees for local spots.
2008. Probably don't want that.
No.
Lots of tie-dyed shirts.
Local stuff you can't really do anything with because it's such a very, very, very small. What the heck is this?
Looks cool.
Hot
Look
leathers.
on the back it looks cool. And there's like...
It's got West Plains, Missouri.
Looks nice though.
Triple C Cycle. I think this is a local, relatively local southwest or southern Missouri company or something.
Why is MG so huge? Like, are they like actually a plus size company? But, well, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I believe
but
so.
everything's so big. Well, Free People stuff's always huge. I'm like, wow. Just their style.
Oh my gosh, this bag is getting out of control. Alright.
Freaky.
Spirit University.
Half
come
man,
on.
half horse.
Alright, let's get something here. That's...
Boardman's. Never been there.
Yeah, it closed down, I think. Locally.
Really cool, but it's just a big dinosaur face. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think I just saw one of those t-shirts today at a local flea market. Alright, what else we got in here? Come on. I did see through the bag a Tommy Hilfiger flag. That doesn't necessarily mean anything, but I did see it in there, so.
So was this all the bags they had?
This was all the bags they had. That's a good message right there.
I thought it said those are homeschooled. Nope. That would be weird.
Alright, what else we got here? Nope. Oh, cute little bag.
Yeah.
Alright. We are almost done on this one. Not looking good. Not looking good for the vintage.
Oh, I thought it was saying live fast. Like fast and
Die
pray.
fun. Oh. Alright, what else we got? Come on now. So, if you guys didn't know, we are expecting our 4th child. Yay!
That's cool.
Oh, what is that?
Greek bait. Don't know, but that's cool.
Yeah, it's not
Just
vintage.
looks nice.
But yes, we're excited. We don't know what it is at this point, except the human. And we'll let you know when we know, I suppose. Alright, t-shirts. No. No. This first bag looks like it's gonna kind of strike out. We had those 2 like touristy tees and that Sig Sauer tee, which is kind of a cool tee. Alright, grab that other bag. Let's get down into it. We got this homemade tee. Wow, what the heck? Some of these homemade tees are pretty wacky. Don't know what's going on there. Alright. Digging in. Try to make this not too long, so recruited the help of my lovely wife.
Fast forward the nothingness.
Oh, what the heck is this? We got a vintage Las Vegas tee with cats on it and cat butts on the other side. This might be weird enough, just weird enough to be worth something.
Lovers out there.
Well, it was a Las Vegas t-shirt, which is what was odd. Alright. Also today we're celebrating 200 subs. Yay!
This is what awesome dads look like. Give that too.
Not exactly as exciting as a noob child, but very cool for us because didn't really expect to get here at this point, so pretty excited about that. Alright, what else we got here? We got Estes Park, Colorado. That's funny. Alright. Come on, vintage twos.
Give me just a bit of clothes. Oh, lots of towels in this bag.
I did see some other vintage clothing at this thrift store, so kind of gave me hope for this, but so far it's not looking very good.
A lot of spit up cloths in this bag. That's
Yeah, so somebody with kids donated. What's this? No, it's not a vintage tee. Alright, what else we got here? Nothing. Nothing. Alright, what else? Nothing? What's this? It's vintage. It's Skull. It's some chewing tobacco. It would be a cool t-shirt if it didn't have the sleeves cut off. Unfortunately. Alright, come on now. Ugh. Sometimes these are kind of gross.
Happy camper.
Makes you kind of wish you had gloves sometimes.
Like going through the bins.
Just like going through the bins.
That's interesting. Does it say REI?
No, relay for life. Alright. Alright, this one's almost over for this particular bag. Just had an avalanche behind us. Alright. Ooh, nothing. Last one, and now we're on to our last bag. That was a really terrible bag. Nothing even interesting. Alright, here we go. Last bag on this triple bag Tuesday. Can this last bag save us? This is the bag that I saw the...
Pour it on the top.
Smells like smoke. It's an Affliction tee. We've talked about Affliction tees in the past.
2008.
Kind of smells like smoke a little bit. We will keep this Affliction tee because Affliction tees do sell. They're not crazy, valuable or anything, but they do have some value. What do you got there?
Bike week.
Sturgis. Oh, we got Sturgis tea, 2007. We'll hold on to the Sturgis tea for now. So, Oneida?
Yeah.
I think this is a newer Oneida.
Do people like the old ones?
It's just a vintage tag.
Here's Tommy Hilfiger.
Just a Tommy Hilfiger polo.
Is that what you saw?
I think so. I'm not entirely sure, but I just saw the logo peeking through the... Come on! Let's see. There's an Adidas tee. It's not a vintage one. Oh my goodness. Here, slide this up, slide this up. There we go, slide this up. Like that. Look, it's right there. Alright. What else we got here? Polo Golf, but no logos. It's just an M. I guess it's probably...
Be bigger than you feel. Just bring it back.
Alright, down to the... Oh, there are so many, like, dumb t-shirts in here. All the, you know, like, blessed, hashtag blessed t-shirts. I mean, it is a rag. I think I've been a little bit spoiled from the, you know, the series of bags that we had that just had lots of really awesome stuff in them. So, yeah, I'm probably a little spoiled, but every bag can't be a winner, and every bag isn't a winner, and typically we don't show you some of the bags that end up not being as winner-ish, just to keep it interesting.
Rebecca Miller. Weird. Is it like someone's phone number on there? It's just weird. Don't drive on ice. Oh, did their dad die? I don't know what's going on.
It's a vintage tee.
Father Miller. With a phone number. No, I don't know what that is. Oh, that is a number. Don't drive on ice.
I don't know, but it's vintage, and we're gonna keep it.
Questionable what the story is behind that picture. Her dad's like driving truck number?
It's old though, so
Weird.
that was probably that was a early 90s tag, so finally one more vintage tee that might be somewhat interesting.
Homemade.
I mean, it's not homemade. It's not homemade
They
because
glued on the picture.
I don't know if it's homemade.
There
Inway Landstar, that's a trucking company. So I don't think it's homemade, but it's definitely interesting. Alright.
Nothing but.
Well, that was it. Not a whole lot. Unfortunately, that's just the way these things go. Who knows? Some of those weird t-shirts may sell. We will have them listed because people do buy random weird stuff, and you've seen that. And for now, we'll see you guys in the next one. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.